Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. We're going to be attempting to do some pearl pours. I teach FaceTime classes, several a week, and a lot of my students request the pearl pour, and I ask them to just be a little patient with me because I'm still exploring it myself. I've only done a few of them and had great fun with them. So I'm just down here basically practicing. One of the questions I get asked a lot by students and other people when I've done pearl pours is, what's my ratio, paint to PM to water? And I can't really answer that because every paint is different. But I'm going to try to show you just how thin these paints are. These paints have a lot of water in them, and that has always scared me because when I started my pouring journey and did a lot of research, I was told and read that you should add never any more than 15% to 20% water to your acrylic paints. So there's a lot of water in a pearl pour. And my pouring medium for the pearls is a splash of Liquitex, a splash of Floetrol, a splash of Golden GAC 800, and water, a lot of water. So I'm going to try to show you. This right here is a paint I'm not using in this pour, but I want to show you the consistency. This is the consistency for most ring pours, straight pours. If I added a little more water to it, it would be for my swipes, which I like thinner paints for my swipes. So I'm going to go ahead and take this little pipette, squeeze some paint up in there, and put a dollop or so of it right here on this paper plate. Now, that paint is mixed with 50% Liquitex, 50% Floetrol, and a splash of GAC 800. Now, let's take the red here. Where's my other pipette? I lost it. Oh, there it is. This is the paint that I'm using for the pearl paint. Take a look at that consistency. If you can see it, it leaves no mound. It dissipates into the paint below almost immediately. There is a lot of water in here. My guess would be about 25 to 30% water. Let's put the same amount on the paper plate. Pop those air bubbles. And let's give it a tilt so you can see. This paint is thin. This paint is very, very thin. So how much water do I add to my paints? Guys, it depends on the paint. It depends on the pouring medium you're using. If you're using more Floetrol than Liquitex, Floetrol is heavier than Liquitex. It just takes practice. It takes finding your own way. A really good source for the pearl pour is, there are 2 people that I would recommend to watch for the pearl pour. Actually, there's 3. One would be Sweet Tara from Pieces of Tara, and I will post the link in the description box. The other would be Sarah Taylor from Sarah Taylor's Modern Art, and Dwight from Dwight Pours. All of them have mastered their pearl pours, and they do beautiful, beautiful work. This girl is trying to master hers. It's like when I started to do my swipes, guys, I practiced and practiced and changed up my pouring medium, changed up the way I swiped. It just takes some practice and some exploring. So let's talk about our paints today. I'm going to use 2 base coat colors. This one right here, let's take a look. Boy, there's a lot of air bubbles in this guy. Absolutely no trace, guys. A good amount of water. That is a mix of Artist Loft Soft Body in the white and Behr Premium Plus Interior Satin Enamel House Paint. We're about 50% of each color. The Artist Loft Soft Body and the Behr House Paint, 50-50. Our other base coat color is right here, and it's going to be hard for you to see, but it is the same consistency. That is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. Once again, our pouring medium is 1 part Liquitex, 1 part Floetrol, and 1 part Golden GAC 800 to paint, and water. A good amount of water that I add slowly. Look at this yummy color. This is one of our other colors, which I absolutely love. We are getting our DecoArt, guys, on. This is DecoArt Americana Metallics, and this is a beautiful color. This is their Garnet. And this right here, I won't bother showing you because it's black. That is DecoArt Satin Enamel, and that is their classic black. And this yummy goodness right here. This actually has a little bit of my leftover, this little piggy. Which one was it? I think it was the Galaxy, leftover from the black, silver, and gray series that I've been doing all week. That is DecoArt Americana Metallics, and that is their silver. Love my DecoArt paints, guys. So there you have it. We're going to slop some paint around. We're going to see what happens. I'm trying to learn to control where my pearls go crazy. So come along this journey with me, guys. I'm happy you're here. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
You dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move